Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over some Amazon must-haves for spring break. All of these items are perfect for any spring break travel or if you are going to a sunny destination throughout the year. As always, everything is linked down below in that description box, and I have a QR code popped up here with all of the items, and I do have loads of other Amazon travel must-have videos. I will also leave a playlist up here so you can check out even more essentials to bring on your next trip. So if you are headed somewhere warm and you're not going to a resort, you're going to need to bring your own beach towel, and I just adore this beach towel from Dock & Bay. It's made up of 100% recycled materials, and it has a nice soft microfiber feel to it, so it's really soft. And the best part is that it packs nearly flat, so it's not going to take up too much room in your suitcase, and it also has quick drying properties, which is perfect for any getaway, so you can dry these up real quick and head to the beach the next day. These come in a variety of different stripe patterns, which for me just screams vacation. So I picked up this peachy color and I immediately connected to it because this peachy color is called Positano, and I was like, I think I need to get the Positano print because that's just like my middle name. So love this peachy color. It's so good for vacation. Again, really soft. And I am 5'10", and I'm always concerned about beach towels being too short for me because nothing bothers me more than when I'm laying on the beach and either my head is in the sand or my ankles are in the sand. But this is tall girl approved, 5'10". I lay down on it. My whole body fits without anything popping off the sides. And it's also a little bit wider than traditional bath towels. So you're gonna be laying comfortable on the sand, yet it does pack up really flat, which is so big. You can even pack this in your carry-on suitcase. If you're not checking a bag, there's no problems just because it packs up. It also comes with this cute little case. So highly recommend for any beach getaway. By the way, they do have these in tons of different stripe patterns, like over 15 for sure. They have neutrals, they have pops of color, gradient styles. Honestly, it was really fun picking out that pattern. Another spring break essential is a beach bag. I tried out loads of beach bags on Amazon, and this is the newest one that I tried out. I recently brought this on my trip to Cancun and a cruise, and I really do enjoy this beach bag. It is made up of a corduroy rib pattern. This does come in different colors, but this light pattern I feel like just goes with every swimsuit. And I love how there's pockets on the outside, so you can throw your cell phone in there, your sunscreen, or whatever you need to grab really quickly. And then on the inside, it's nice and wide open. And on the inside, the material is sand resistant. So if sand were to happen to get in here, you can take it out really easily. And I fit so much in here, whatever I needed for the day, it all fit inside. And it has nice two strap handles, comfortable to wear, and it does pack flat in your suitcase, which is huge for me. I love being able to maximize everything in my suitcase. So love this beach bag. And when I was on that vacation, I sincerely miss my Sol de Janeiro product. Go-to favorite body spray. It smells like vacation, and I love their tightening body cream. It literally feels so amazing on your skin. So on vacation, I googled Sol de Janeiro travel size, and they have it in the cutest little travel set. And I think it's a must for any spring break, any beach vacation, because I'm telling you, you will be the best smelling person on your vacation because it has such a tropical scent that I feel like would be perfect on a vacation. So the Sol de Janeiro has 3 items inside. They have a small spray, a small body wash, and a small bum cream. And as you can see, the size differences is quite substantial. So you don't have to bring this whole jug with you. You can bring this, and this will last you a while on your vacation, as well as the body spray. I love this so much, but this size is just so much better. And when you're done using this, you can just refill your spray if you already have it. So, and this is also a great set if you don't really know if you want to commit to buying a full size. You can kind of just try out 3 products and see if you like it. So I am definitely going to be bringing all 3 of these on my next vacation, and I'm super pumped to try out their body wash. I've heard rave reviews, it's really lathery, it's really nice for your skin. So I'm really excited that they come in these cute sizes, perfect for any toiletry bag. Any spring break vacation, I highly recommend to stay hydrated and bringing your own reusable water bottle. I find a lot more resorts, even cruises, are implementing more water refill stations and encouraging people to bring their own reusables, or they'll give you one. But I highly recommend this Stanley reusable. Even on the cruise, people were like, what style is that? Because this is a new style. It's called the quick flip bottle for a reason. All you do is press a button and you're ready to drink. It's so fast rather than twisting off a cap. And this is totally first world problems, but just because you can just easily access your water, I find myself just gravitating towards this one and drinking a lot more water. So I love that it has a little handle. So if it doesn't fit fit in your suitcase, you can always clip this on the outside of like a backpack or something. It doesn't count as like a carry-on for the airplane, so that's a good tip. And it does keep your beverages cold and hot for many hours. Another spring break essential is this mini mirror. I have it in a full size, but if you want to kind of minimize what you're packing, it does come in a little small size. This is an LED mirror. You can easily do your makeup in here. This is a magnifying mirror and this is a regular mirror, so you can just easily pop it up while you're doing your makeup, and you could bring this on the go. So if you're going to the beach for like 12 hours and want to look at yourself after being in the sun, you can always just pop this in your bag because it's super small and it has a cool LED light feature so you can actually see your makeup. Next up, we have these compressed facial sponges. This is a stack of 50 and you can just bring like 2 or 3 on vacation. And what this does is when you wet it with water, it kind of expands. So if you want to take off your makeup at night, or if you tend to wear a bit more makeup on vacation, you don't have to like worry about dirtying up all the towels, and you can just kind of gently exfoliate and wipe off your skin. And these are just perfect for travel. You can also reuse these as many times as you like, but it's just a really nice way to make sure you're getting off all of your makeup. And of course you can use these at home, but pack extremely flat and help you take off all your makeup. These little sponges are a bestseller on Amazon right now. For any beach vacation, you're gonna wanna pack a mini speaker. This is great to listen to your favorite music on the beach, in your hotel room, or if you're staying like an Airbnb, sometimes they don't have all of the things that you like to have in your own home. And this is perfect because it's a portable speaker. It has a little clip, so you can clip it on your bag, you can clip on your belt bag and carry around and listen to your favorite music. The sound quality in this is pretty good as well. And it's super small and compact, which I love. When Al and I go to the beach, we always love bringing this just to like have our own music playing, especially if we're there all day long. Another travel must have for spring break is this portable fan. Now, when I was on the cruise, I saw a few people have their own portable fans and I was like, yes, they know what's up, because that cruise was so hot and this was just that little piece of coolness that you could bring to yourself. So this is a portable fan. It just opens up, and when you press it open, it just gives you a nice cool breeze. And the fan bits are silicone, so if you do end up hitting it, you're not going to hurt yourself. This is essential to stay cool, especially in the warm heat, and it packs flat. Plus, this little guy is a charger. There's a USB-C and USB-C port and a flashlight. So really cool, and it has little ears on it because why not? Next up, if you are doing a carry-on bag and you are wondering how you're gonna fit all your 10 plus swimsuits on vacation, you're gonna wanna get some packing cubes that compress. Now, I'm a huge fan of packing cubes just to stay organized. If you are specifically wanting packing cubes that will compress everything and make more things fit in your suitcase, these right here are your answer. So this is what it looks like compressed, and I fit in some pajamas in here for my next trip. But when I open it up, as you can see, if I didn't have it, it pops up so much. So this saves me about 1 inch of space, which doesn't seem like a lot, but trust me, it's gonna save you a ton of space in your carry-on. Now, the thing with this is that because it compresses your items, it's gonna weigh a bit more. So if you do this for a checked bag, be careful on what other items you bring in there because it's gonna add a lot of weight. Remember, you gotta stay under that 50 pounds for your checked bag. But if you want to save room in your carry-on, they don't weigh those in the US. So you can kind of use all of these, make it really heavy, and you'll be fine for your vacation. And you can pack maybe a few extra swimsuits. So love that. These packing cubes also come in a set of 4, 5, or 6. So depending on how many you like, you can get different quantities and different sizes for all of your packing needs. Another small little container that I love bringing in all my trips is just this clear case. Why I love it is that you can see inside. Now this does come in different sizes, but this is the smallest size. And this is like my go-to airplane bag. So whatever I need on the airplane, I can just take it out. I usually keep like hand sanitizer in here, eye drops, hand cream, gum, maybe my phone charger, just all those little small things that tend to like get lost in this small container, and you can see through it exactly what's inside. So I love this little case. It has super nice quality as well. You can also pop this little bag into your beach bag and have all your essentials all in one place. Now, I love my perfume so much. I always love bringing my perfume with me when I travel. Of course, I am not bringing this on vacation. It's super heavy. I'm not going to use it all. So I love packing these little perfume atomizers. All you do to fill up these atomizers is so easy. You just take off the top of your perfume, you unscrew the cap. There's a little hole at the bottom of this, and all you do is just pump in your fragrance. and it fills it up. And for some reason, it doesn't leak when you do it that way. I've had other atomizers where you pour it in or you spray it in, and for me, it just made messes and I was actually like wasting my perfume. So I love how you can just bring the small one on vacation rather than the full size, and I love these so much. I actually got a few more of these so I can fill up more of my fragrances, and these come in so many fun colors. In fact, you can kind of like match up the color of the bottle to your atomizer so you know what one it is. But I also have this cute label maker that I just label mine so I know exactly which one I'm packing. Next up, I would highly recommend packing some hand sanitizing wipes. These are formulated without any alcohol, so if you are have sensitive skin or you don't want to put too much alcohol or things that really dry out your skin, these right here, first of all, they smell amazing. They open up like a regular baby wipe, but these are made with natural essential oil and they're not going to dry out your skin. So you know, if you're going to the beach and you are snacking on some Cheetos and you got all of those orange bits all over your fingers and you know hand sanitizer is not going to do it, these are great because they actually can wipe off different things. And I know a lot of people just have these in their car, have them in high touch places, and this is just a really great thing to have when you travel. Small enough it can fit in your beach bag and you can know that you're killing 99.9% of germs and also not dry out your skin. Okay, this next one might be one of my favorites and it's so basic you probably already have it. It is a mini size razor. And can we just talk about how cute this is? How adorable. For me, packing razors, for some reason I just like dread it because in my opinion my razor just takes up so much space, and this is just the smallest size ever. You can keep it in this little case, and because it's so pink you can know exactly where your razor is. It's super small, literally the size of the palm of my hand. Perfect little thing to have on your spring break. Next up, we have these small little containers which are perfect for depotting your favorite products. The reason why I love these is that it's clear and it also has a very nice screw cap, so you can just screw it on very easily and have your product secure. If you want to bring like some sugar scrub, this is from Tree Hut. There is no way I'm bringing this heavy thing with me. How small, you can just bring the perfect amount that you're going to need for travel. So these are great. Also, like any makeup powders or things that you just know you don't need the full size, like you can just depot larger items and save space in your packing. And I like how these are super lightweight as well. I know sometimes with like luxury skincare they come in glass. You can just put them in here. It's plastic and it's going to be lighter on your bag weight if you're concerned about that. And I also tried out these guys, which is the same little thing, but instead of a plastic bottom, these are silicone. These are a top seller. They also have a screw top, and the reviews say that nothing really pops out of these. So I'm also curious to try these out as well, but it comes in a 4-pack, so you can kind of put like, you put lotions, creams, body washes, you name it, and it has these fun little colors so you can color coordinate whatever you put in there. But I do highly recommend depotting your favorite products just to save space in your toiletry bag. For my people who love wearing jewelry, we have my favorite, you know what it is, my favorite jewelry organizer. I talk about this thing for every travel video because if you do not have this, I highly recommend putting your hands on it. You can organize all of your jewelry to go, and the reason why I love it is just it packs flat, you fold it up and it packs flat. So no matter what, if you even put bulky jewelry in here, it's only gonna size up this much and you can know exactly where your jewelry is and not lose anything. So I love this for travel. So I recently upgraded my checked bag to this Samsonite bag, which I love. Highly recommend. It's also expandable, so if you are on the hunt for a new carry-on or checked bag, I highly recommend this Samsonite one. And it comes in this beautiful white color, which I just love. So you know I had to get the white, but the funniest thing is I got this clear cover for it just to protect it, the white color. Yes, I bought a white suitcase, but I just wanted to test out this clear cover, and let me tell you, after one use, just one flight, look how dirty it got, like just from one flight. So this clear cover comes in your standard luggage sizes, and it goes right over it and has a Velcro at the bottom, and it just makes me feel better that knowing that my white suitcase won't get too like beat up. So it's keeping my white suitcase pure white, and also I'm just thinking about like how many germs are on this clear cover. So I'm actually thinking about getting it for all of my other suitcases because I can't believe how dirty it got in just one use. So if you're worried about keeping your suitcase clean, or if you're getting a new suitcase, definitely check out this cover. And I also do recommend the Samsonite suitcase. It rolls really nicely. I am very, very picky about my wheels. I love my Samsonite suitcases. I find that their wheels are really nice and they have a really nice quality to them. So I love this white suitcase as well. If you're on the market for a new suitcase, definitely recommend those two. Not sure if you like to travel with your laptop laptop, but if you do, I just got this cute little laptop case, and on the inside it's nice and padded so you know your laptop won't get all beat up. I normally travel without this, and I realized I probably should start traveling with one just because my laptop just already is so beat up. There's a front zipper so you can put in your laptop charger. I edit my YouTube videos on the go, so I can put my hard drives in here, my card readers. So I love this for working on the go. I'm not sure if you guys bring a laptop when you travel. Let me know down below in the comment box if you bring a laptop or if you don't. Like, I've never traveled without my laptop, so I just don't know if I could do that. So let me know if you travel with one or if you don't. Another spring break essential are these water shoes. I do not travel without them because you have no idea if you're going to a rocky beach or if you're going on like a water activity. These are just great to have because you don't have to worry about them getting dirty, getting wet. They're meant to be in the water. They have a nice little traction on the bottom and they pack really flat. Now, these are not the most advanced water shoes, but if you just want something to protect your feet, I highly recommend them, and they're really easy and comfortable to wear, and they also come in many different colors. Next up, if you know you're going to be planning on having some adult beverages, not recommending that you drink too much, but if you just so happen to have one too many drinks and the next morning you are feeling like a hot mess, these Blowfish tablets will make you feel so much better the next day. I always do recommend traveling with some liquid IVs. I will also leave these linked down below as well. My favorite flavor is passion fruit. These also just give you that electrolyte so you can feel a bit better. If you are feeling like you need a lot more help, these Blowfish tablets are made for hangovers. Pack a pack in your toiletry bag just to have on hand for emergency use. And if you are traveling to a warmer place, I highly recommend packing this hair wax. If you want to style your hair but not have any flyaways, especially in a humid climate, this is just going to take away all of your flyaways. And I am very picky about hair wax because I have thin hair and I don't like things making my hair feel weighted down or oily or just waxy feeling. This, honestly, even though I just put it in my hair still feels like hair. That's why this is a bestseller. And if you want to style your hair, especially in a humid climate, and you know your hair can get pretty frizzy, this will just keep everything looking clean. You could do a cute low back ponytail, or if your hair is down, you can just make sure it doesn't like look all over the place. And just some little outfits that you could pack on your next spring break vacation. First up is this linen cover up. I featured this in my pack with me in white. I loved it so much. You guys also really loved this cover up. I was eyeing up the red color on vacation and I was like, yep, I have to get it because the white is beautiful. It goes with every swimsuit, but this red color also is just giving the vibes of a vacation. Imagine a red swimsuit underneath, white swimsuit, a black swimsuit. You can button this up, you can leave it open. It just looks high end, and it's 100% linen on Amazon, which I find is pretty hard to find on Amazon that's like actual linen, not a linen blend. So 100% linen, it looks sophisticated. Now, this is not going to give you shape. It's a boxier kind of cut. It's supposed to be kind of loose fitting. So if you're looking for, you know, something a bit tighter, you could belt this if you wanted, but I'm wearing this in a size large. If it's true to size, it looks so good, and they have it in other colors. I may end up getting multiple colors throughout the year because I do plan on going on some vacations, and I think this just looks sophisticated. Is this coming to Italy with me this year? Absolutely. And if you're looking for your next favorite one-piece swimsuit, I just adore this black one piece. First of all, it has nice thin straps, my favorite. The straps are adjustable. It has a high neck, so it's a square cut neck, which I find so sophisticated, and the back has just a little bit of a detail. It's comfortable to wear. There's ruching along the stomach area. It looks like a high-end designer swimsuit, but it's under $40 on Amazon. So good. I have it now in pink and black, and it's comfortable, it's affordable, and if you want that look of designer on vacay, this swimsuit right here, I'm telling you, so good. So there goes all of my spring break essentials. If you want to know even more like clothing items to pack on vacation, I do have a pack with me video. I can leave it up here if you want to see even more like dresses and things to pack that I packed on my vacation to Mexico. Let me know if you were headed on spring break and where you're going. I would love to hear it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of the week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.